Yo, we in the cup, man. I'm saying we out here, we about to get some food. We just finished recording the video for the New Wave channel. You know what I'm saying? Down. Okay, hold on. Alright, man, so I don't remember what I was saying, so I'm gonna just recap, but yeah. We was at the studio, we just recorded a video for the New Wave channel, and we all got kind of hungry, so we came to get some food. I just treated the guys, so you know what I'm saying, we out here, we getting burgers, we just ordered. I'm probably gonna eat in the car, though. So when the food come through, I'm gonna let you guys see what we eating, what we munching on, and then yeah, man, we just gonna kick it over here, you know what I'm saying, get a little vlog for y'all, see what happened. All the other ones are the same. Yo, so we eating this Super Boys. You know what I'm saying? Nigga, you didn't ask for no bacon, my nigga. Yo, one more person complains, bro.
I told you, my nigga, to just get whatever we're getting and take your shit off.
It's leaking. Bro.
Hey, man, I try to cut up. I'm ready to break it. I just want to eat.
This shit was like, yo,
love me that burger, man.
I'm pretty sure the fries.
S-Bay, what does that even mean?
Super Boy.
What? It's my food. I just want to eat.
Okay, all of them say fucking bacon and that one says S-Bay?
God, thank you.
No, man, Jaspi, they were digging you, bro.
What do you mean?
This specific one has a smiley face just on it, bro.
Wait, you're bacon? Because you might eat the wrong one.
No, they all are digging. You said they all the same.
Hold on. You said no what?
I said no pickle, no mustard.
Do you have yours?
Yeah.
Okay. I don't want to start eating the wrong burger.
No, you better not be, bro, because...
Fuck, man.
Where those napkins is at?
This fucking patty is huge as shit, man.
Bro, y'all might pass me the tray, too.
Yeah, we do mind that, chili.
Nigga, you have a space there.
I'm playing. Don't you have one there, too?
Jaspy's using it.
You only have one cup holder?
Yeah.
I got two. But they're both being used.
Just give me the whole thing.
Oh, no, they're both being used.
Yeah.
What's your drink for? Oh, just take the entire thing. Austin, do you have your drink?
That's... Huh? So c'est quoi ça ici? Ah.
You got napkins too, Auntie?
Put it here.
Yeah, this napkin.
Let's grab this one real quick.
Where's the white thing over there? Is that mayo?
Yeah. Man, this is the worst vlog ever, bro. I forgot I was recording and I'm just eating and yeah. You know, I'm gonna come back to these niggas later. Yeah, man, we just ate. Hey, they're gonna copyright my shit. We just ate. So now I guess we're just gonna go back and drop off people. And yeah, man, that's the end of the day, or like. Oh no, never mind. This vlog's finna get lit. I'm going to the boys' house later. I'm gonna pick up the camera at that point, and that's when we finna get lit, man. I don't know if we finna record something at the studio or what's going on. Oh, am I gonna make this yellow?
You will.
Yeah, so I'm gonna be going to the boys' house later, and it's gonna be lit. We were freestyling yesterday. We got super fun. So I'm gonna do that again tonight, and yeah, man. So next time I pick up the camera, that's where we're gonna be at. So
Yeah, you can open up window.
So I wasn't recording all that.
Yes.
So you wanna try that over here? Huh?
Did you start late or did you finish?
Nigga, I just didn't start recording yet. I was letting you practice.
This nigga.
Practice is vlogs, man.
Esse funga came on the kitchen. We'll see.
Are you filming? You're at your fucking calm, bro. Yo, all that food in my belly, bro.
Yeah, what you gotta say about the food that we had earlier?
Cassie, what'd you call him?
That's pretty nice.
Cassie.
Yeah?
Lumitanini?
I don't remember, man.
I heard you fucking cum.
Ah, this man's.
I would never call somebody a fucking cum. That's the stupidest insult ever.
Cassie, knowing you and your insults, that's what happened.
Yo, damn.
Come down.
Anyways, rate the food 1 to 10.
I was maybe say a 7.5.
What about you two, King?
I'll give it a 6.5.
And you?
It was a cool 7.5, yeah.
And that food was ass.
I'm more strict to the food.
Moi j'avais seulement faim.
Yo, I know I look hideous right now. It's because I just came off of work, you know what I'm saying? But I'm sitting down here. I decided to edit because if I shower, I'm going to get distracted. I'm going to end up in bed. I'm not going to edit, but y'all don't care about that. Basically, why I'm here is I'm about to tell you that the next clip is unscripted. It's super raw. We were driving. We had Kessie in the back seat, recording me and Paul argue. We started arguing in our language. I put subtitles and everything. Might be a little hard for you guys to keep up, but you know what I'm saying? It's a funny clip, so I left it in. Hope you guys enjoy the next clip. And yeah, enjoy the rest of the vlog. If you haven't already, man, hit the smash the like button, subscribe, all that good stuff, and then let's get into the rest of the video.
Yo, just sikiliza.
Hakuna maziwa.
Nene. C'est correct. Mais wako mugone noko na lutumbu.
You guys are being reckless.
That doesn't even correlate anymore.
It correlates.
Na nini?
Ile ni tumbo.
Unaweza kwa mgone na lutumbu lapata basa toko mimi.
Ili tumbo ya mwanaume.
Ya mwanaume gani?
Mimi ni mwanaume.
Na kwa kula bugali.
Unaona?
Tumbo ile bugali.
Wewe uko mtoto, mimi niko mwanaume.
Mwanaume.
Hii tumbo. Hii tumbo. Kama siku unapata.
Niko nachunga sama sasa tusikie.
Siku unapata bibi usinionyesha hiyo.
Atafani.
Hii tumbo ya mwanaume.
Ile tumbo yako itamkimbiza uko nasema nakiona tumbo ya mwanaume. Sikiliza bale mbabili la Afrika ndio wanaona tumbo vile wanasikia papa anakuwa na makuda.
This one 0 to 100.
Bako endake vile man. Usijicheze. It's 2020.
I can hear it, bro. I can hear it. Itumbu. This belly. Bro, what you guys talking about belly?
Listen, why you recording this shit?
Yo, this is some memory stuff, bro.
Translator, bro.
I'm translating to Asem, bro. Make sure Asem understands.
You weren't translating, you were just recording before that.
But then after I remember, Asem can't understand.
Okay, start translating instead of recording.
Okay, start translating and start recording, man. God damn.
That direct already fucked me up.
This is direct, bro. What the fuck is going on, bro? Like,
wait, how did this become a me thing?
Script.
These niggas be squirting on me, bro.
These niggas. Bro, this nigga, and I was on this too. Ikala Paul, and I pata na yeye.
Mimi nipata, sijali mimi.
Bro, like
Na filme tu mimi nakumbuka hii siku.
How did you tell the do-rag? That's my question, bro.
What do you mean?
Like,
The do-rag is supposed to be here.
No, I don't like that way.
No, but the do-rag is supposed to like tie around the front.
No, I don't like that way. I know.
So
it leaves the marks on our head.
So how do you tie the do-rag?
Tie it in the back.
But like, isn't it just gonna slip? Like this? I'm not.
No,
looking,
it didn't. No, it
I'm
doesn't.
Genuinely
slip.
asking. So it just sits on your head and you just tie it back here.
Yeah.
Tie it on what?
On itself.
Yeah. Listen. Hey, listen. Hey, shawty, she bad and she thick. Bring me that ass, let me go grip. Bring me that pussy, let me go lick. Bring me that pussy, let me go hit. Hit it quick. My bitch is nice and thick. She suck on my dick. I eat on my meat. No homo, eat on my meat. Bitch, I don't need it. I don't need no bitch. As long as I got money. Hey, listen, when it comes to rapping, I'm the best. Hey, bring other rappers and put them to the test. Hey, $1,000, put it on my chest. Oh, fuck, I'm better than the rest. Hold on, tweaking on the bitch, so it's neat. Nigga, take a seat. Monkey, I got money. Monkey, you ain't got none. Hey, oh, hey, you ain't got none. Hey, rapping ain't fun. I ain't do it for the bread, I do it for the love. Hey, shit, do it for the love. My skills so above. Hey, shit, nigga, I am fly like a dove. Hey, oh shit, fly like a dove. Hey, hold on, I got no rhyme, so I'ma switch it up, beat it up. Hey, shit, hold on, I'm passing it back. Looking, sipping on codeine. Hey, I feel like a coffee. I'm a dolphin. I'm a yogini. Pussy like swimming. Hey, shit. Yeah, I dive in the pussy like swimming. Hey, pull on the camera, he filming. Hey, that's on the mic and he rapping. Hey, that's on the wheel and he driving. Hey, shit. Grip on the wheel. Shit. Grip on the. Hey, grip on the steel. Let it go bang. Hey, fuck. Shawty come over cause I'm tryna bang. Bang. Shit. Fuck. Nigga gon' bang. Like, shit. Stop. I ain't gon' crash. Yeah. Hey, don't hit your brakes cause I ain't gonna crash. I'm fast. Hey, pull out the pocket and you know I got hella cash. Hold on, shit. I hear cash. She calling me daddy, I just wanna smash. Hey, bitch, I pass. Hey, I pass. Hold on, son. Woo! Hey, listen, hey, I pass. Fuck, that pussy is cap. He said it was nice, nah. She don't even got that wap.
Yo, we're in the studio now. Hey, listen, I got a bag today. Did it in a nasty way. He's gonna kill me with us on sure. Let's go. Ooh, hey, dick. Hey, the way. Hey, give a big up, let's go. Big thing, hey, big good, big legs, hey, everything's they cats, hey, hey. That shit was fire, man. Yeah. What? You want me to what? Oh, fuck. Yeah, so we're just chilling here, making music like always, man. First we need the beat, obviously. In my fucking, hey, shit. You can eat my fucking